This is a box of red Czech 26.5mm flares. To give you a little bit of information on these are aluminum cased. That's what this phrase right here means in Czech. Now, to identify which type of flares you have in the box, you can look at the line on it. If it's got one vertical line, that just means it's a regular old star flare. You see these in red and green. If it's got a zigzag line going across, that means it's a smoke round. You see those commonly in blue and orange. If it's got a yellow circle in the middle, that means it's a parachute illuminating flare. And then if it has 3 red vertical lines, that means it's just a 3-star flare. Here's a box of illuminating parachute flares to give you an idea of what the markings on this one look like. This style of flare was in production during the Cold War, and I do not believe this particular style is currently in use anymore. Now, being 26.5mm, they will fit into any flare launcher that is chambered in 26.5mm. The box is coated in a layer of wax to help waterproof it, and to open it up, you see this cloth pull tab right here. You're just going to peel that up, unwrap it around the box, it comes right off, and then you're able to open it up from the top right there. As you can see, these are aluminum cased. This is what they look like. There's your head stamp, the date of manufacture, 1984, and the manufacturer's mark. Thanks for watching.